Hey, kia ora whanau! Well, we're at our campgrounds, ready for the whānau to come, here at Manaia, Easter hui for 2024, Whakatupu Rangatahi Easter Camp, here in Te Tai Tokerau, under the majestic Manaia Maunga, just behind us. We're here to have some fun, think about whakapapa, think about our maunga, think about connecting, think about building relationships with each other, with the Lord, and with our whānau. Hey, kia ora whanau, welcome back to Whakatupu Rangatahi Easter Camp, Northern Te Tai Tokerau, under the majestic maunga of Manaia, which if I just turn around here, there she is, that beautiful maunga at the back. That's what we're going to hikoi up tomorrow. Our morning session this morning, we talked about tika, pono, aroha, manaki and ngākau mahaki, as part of values that we're wanting to exhibit throughout our time together. And so we've got our groups together, we've got Pautu, Pairangi and Tātai Hono, and we're all just enjoying each other today. And for the rest of this afternoon, the cooks have got a boil up and chop suey for kai tonight. But the rangatahi are all down at the waterfront here, playing volleyball. Some are over at the beach. Supposedly there's Peter Pan's little village up here somewhere in the trees. But yeah, this is us here in the beautiful Northland with 30 rangatahi and some team leaders looking after our young people. Alright whanau, bless you, have a great time. If you're just having a holiday, hope you got there safely, and may the Lord bless you and keep you. May His face continue to shine upon you in this Easter season. God bless. The wind's gonna get him, eh? Especially the smaller ones.
Yeah, I love it. Now, you know, you can use the wind to your advantage, eh? Now, look at Amy, she's just sitting there letting her fly away. Where you off to, Amy? Hi. Where you off to? Look at Serena. Mate, she's gonna go to the swimming pool and boat. Wrong way out!
Hey, kia ora whānau, welcome back to Whakatupu Rangatahi Easter Camp here in Northland, Tai Tokerau. We're here at Manaia, and man, what a morning it's been. So we've just had some activities down there. Some of them are actually out casting a fishing line to do a bit of fishing. So we had a stretcher carry. They had to make a stretcher down below here, 2 teams making stretchers, and then carry 6 people up in increments of quarters up the hill here to this fence, touch this fence and go back down. So 3 up, 3 down, and it's just a leaderless task activity, just to get a little bit of team building. But this morning, look what we climbed. I'll just turn around, and we climbed that baby there on that side of it. So we left at 6 o'clock this morning, and we got up there. You can see from some other pictures. Here's a nice little shot, and we saw the sunrise. We sat on a point on a rock, and I was going, my health and safety antenna was up, and I was like, let's get the young people down. So we came back down, had breakfast at 9 o'clock, did a bit of group reflections. So they did a bit of reflections on that, thinking about coverage, foliage, about Rongoa Māori, thinking about how God has given us things to cover us and protect us as we go through life. A time of hanging out, being family, but thinking about how we relate to the world that we're around us. Instead of stuck in a building, we're out in creation, enjoying the beautiful weather and the ground, grounding ourselves in our communities. We've got quite to the top. It's up there. Campground just below, and whānau, fuel fence here, and there's the sunrise. We're good, back to go! Okay. Jump off and just go up halfway. Go, jump off and go up halfway.
Why?
Yeah, just because it's give you a bit of help. Go. Halfway. Oh, go. Yep, halfway. Jump on. Yeah, go.